So I'm here for a review of this camera, a Kandao, and it's called QooCam Ego. There's two cameras in there, two 1080p 60 frames per second cameras, and it can record on two at once and therefore record a 3D video. A 3D video that you can watch with anaglyph glasses or with like an Oculus Rift kind of thing, like they do at Meta now or whatever, those 3D goggles people wear. Okay, so it comes in a bag like this, in a pouch, together with a viewer. This viewer is magnetic and can be attached to the back of the camera like this. And then when you replay the video on the camera, you can look through those optics here, and you can see on the back screen, and then you can watch your video in 3D immediately after you recorded it, or you can even watch it while you record it to see the effect you have here. That's pretty neat. That's a cool idea. If you want to record yourself from front, it has no front display. There is this magnetic mirror there, and then you can basically see on the mirror who and what are you recording in 3D. That is also a very great idea. This thing should be waterproof to a degree because the whole makeup is very similar to GoPro, and so we have here a size comparison between a GoPro Hero 10 and this. As you can see, they are almost similar in size. This one is a little taller, a little wider, right? Those camera lenses are smaller, maybe, I don't know. That was just a size comparison, okay? And then we have here this opening door. What, in my opinion, it looks so exactly like GoPro. It's just crazy, right? How it is connected with this rubber seal. Inside here we do have a battery, what is completely different from GoPro. It is super long and thin. And it goes in here like this. All right. There's an SD card here on the side. Here. Where you can't get to, like the same as in GoPro. Okay. This hinges in here like this, and you can close it. And there you go. You have an on-off button. If we look and compare a GoPro with this, it has the same circles on it. We have an on button here and a mode. Now the on button you have to push and hold for a long time. And that's one of the negatives I see here when you want to turn it on. It takes forever to turn on, and you need a lot of force to push down this button. It's not easy to push. Like in comparison, the GoPro button to push the on button here is much easier. So then it has a record button, what is here, and you can push the button and it records there. Also too hard to push down on it. And you see in the corner how it records over there. You see how much battery you have left. You see that the recording is in progress here on the side. You can cancel that there at any time. It's much better to push this button here to start a recording because you don't have to push so hard. That's a good thing. Then you have down here the settings, the record settings, and this little guy here where you can select the focus distance. Yes, it has a manual focus. On 3D cameras, you don't want to go with the focus. You don't want to have this focus hunting, or whatever they call this. You don't want that on both pictures. This will like really mess up your experience. So you have a fixed focus and you set it down here to whatever distance. It comes with the original setting is between 2.5 and 10 meters. 70 to 300 centimeters. Oh, that's foot down here. Between 2.2 and 9.7 foot is the setting it comes in. 70 centimeters to 3 meters. That's the thing. Okay, so you can record something here. Like this, you can stop the recording. And then you can click here on this one. Oh, we are not stopped in the recording. You can click on this picture, and that would be the play button. And then you can play your footage. Down here is the progress bar. And the moment you attach your 3D viewer, you can look through those images left and right. There. Now this is not going to focus here, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's not. But there you have left and right eye in there to play. I don't know if we can play this. Yeah, it doesn't work like this, but you get the idea on how this works. This thing is magnetic. The magnets here changing the display, how it displays, it splits in two, that kind of thing. And yeah, so there's no adjustments you can make after you recorded something. Everything happens through an app. The app is uncool. Not good. I don't recommend the app. The app is useless. Editing software on a PC, I don't know, on an iPhone. Yeah, that app on the iPhone there, this is no good. And I have a video for that, for the app. Here in the right corner you can look it up. Then it comes with all the problems you have with 3D video making, like if you tilt the camera left, right, twist it around, that is very bad for your video experience. So you need a gimbal for this to hold it straight and steady. When you film, you need to move the camera slow, those kind of things. But people that buy this, who are into 3D, will know about this. That it's a little harder to make a 3D video than others. Overall, would I buy this camera again? It is a lot better image quality than the Fuji camera we had last. Other than that, it's small, handy, nice. It doesn't turn on fast enough. I mean, I can show this when you click here on this button. It doesn't start. You have to push and hold until you see the logo, and then it starts. It takes too long to be ready to take the image. You can do images too. You can switch the mode to image taking. And then there is no software later when you're done with it, right? But you can upload this thing almost straight to YouTube and then watch it on there. That is a good part about it. So uploading this to YouTube is not a big deal. There's the photo mode, and then if you want to take a photo, you just click here and it took a photo already. Yeah, I mean, let's take a photo of this. Oh, I don't know where I'm going here. If I want to take a photo of myself like this, I don't know how that's gonna work out, and especially where we are so far away, so you have to go 30 centimeters. So this photo is better for focus. There I'm pushing, nothing happens. There you go. Good then. So I hope you enjoyed this. You still don't know if you should buy this or not. If you don't have 3D editing software, then I would say don't. But this is me to say if you should buy this or not. Would I buy this again, knowing how it works? Yeah, kind of. Because I wanted this 3D, the footage, to create the footage with this. That's super easy. Working with it later in post, that's always difficult. So I don't know what to say. Yeah. You know, it's not a record and play thing so easy. Yeah, maybe with this. I don't know. I don't know. Can I zoom in here with this thing? QooCam stereo 3D viewer. What if this breaks? I don't know. Where do you get a new battery from? No idea. The place where I bought the camera, B&H Photo, doesn't sell batteries for this yet. It's just too new. Yeah. Oh, one more thing. Yeah, it has a tripod. Not on there. That's super easy to connect to this, because that is something you really need if you want to record something in 3D. What you need is a good tripod.